Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO F31 Pro Plus 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Here you can see incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And when the OPPO logo appears, after a few seconds release it. Now here select language, volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm, and you can also use the touch feature. Now here select language, and you can see here recovery is available, format data, reboot device and power off is available. Tap on format data. So here you can see please enter verification code 8442, enter it 8442. So you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. Here you can see, now tap on format. So here you can see data is successfully formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO F31 Pro Plus 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.